Okay, let's make candle for our home. As you can see, this one is running out, so the ingredients you need are candle wax, a glass for anything that you can just hold a candle in, a scent. I'm using the lemon. This one is a rose essential oil. Then you need a glue gun, anything just to hold the candles. Use the glue gun to, hold it when you melt the candle. So you also need a temperature checker to check how hot the melted candle is. Yeah, so a bit of the glue just to stick it in the middle. Just wait for a few minutes to dry up. So our melted candle is ready. I used the double boiler method. If you want to know how to use the double boiler method, just comment below. Then it's time to get the scent in. So I'm using the syringe to extract the scent. Then we pour it into our glass. As you put in your scent, I let it sit till it solidifies. Then yes, the candle is ready for use.